all I need. You're all I see when I close my eyes and dream. You're all I see. You're all I need, all I need, all I need.
So we had a lovely drive from Pont de Garde, stayed off of motorways, off of tolls, and came over the mountain road. Really, it was really pretty awesome, to be fair. I can't remember the route we took, but it was amazing. If I can remember, I'll just put a brief thing up. But we stayed down there last night, about 10 minutes away from where I am right now. It was another one of the Campingcarpark airs that we pre-booked, so we knew we were in there, so we took our time. Arrived yesterday evening, big storm, big downpour for about 25 minutes. That ended, sun came out again, it warmed up, it was lovely. Walked the dogs along by the riverbank, just had a relaxed evening. Got up this morning, bit of brekkie, and we've made the little journey out here. And it's pretty cool actually, because we're now right underneath the Millau Viaduct, and we actually stayed in Millau last night. So Millau down there, and this immense bridge. I think it might still be the largest structure in the world. 20 years it's been here now, and it took all the traffic away that used to have to go down through the valley, and the congestion going through Millau was just shocking. So 20 years ago this was opened. It took 3 years to build. Pretty phenomenal. So we parked up underneath it. We're going to go up and drive over it because we're heading north. So we've got about a 5-hour drive today, trying to get back to the UK in the next few days. But yeah, something I've always wanted to see. I don't like heights, not too fond of bridges, but it's something that I'm going to have to bite the bullet and get on with, I think. So I'm going to drive over it. At least it's a beautiful clear day, not windy. That helps. You're not really going across that thing in any gusty winds. I guess it closes, but yeah, I wouldn't like that anyway. So Millau, we didn't actually go into the town. I wanted to, because when we got there, like I say, we had a downpour, and then we just sat outside, had a bite to eat, walked along the river a bit, but the actual town itself looked really interesting. Maybe another time. But for now, we're going to get up there. It's huge, isn't it? Ooh. It's a lovely view from up here. It's not actually as scary for me as I thought it might be. The barriers are really good. You can see Millau down there, so it's not very breezy, which helps. It's quite a good bridge actually, isn't it? It's just, you don't realise. Oh wow, yeah, we're really high up here. I just looked down.
Yeah, we are high up.
Yeah, I just looked down.
We're 125 metres, I believe. Above sea.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
That's the viewpoint up there, look.